Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate policy management with Progressive, full guide step by step clearly. To automate policy management with Progressive, begin by setting clear objectives for the automation process. Identify the specific policies you wish to automate and outline the desired outcomes for each. Research the tools and software options available for policy management automation. Select a platform that integrates smoothly with your existing systems and meets your automation needs. Create a centralized policy repository where all documents will be stored and accessed. Ensure that all policies are up to date and comply with current regulations before automation. Map out the workflows associated with each policy to identify automation opportunities. Design your automated processes, focusing on key tasks such as approvals, notifications, and audits. Utilize Progressive's automation features to configure your policies accordingly. Set up automated alerts to keep stakeholders informed of policy updates and changes. Conduct thorough testing of the automated workflows to identify any issues or improvements needed. Train your team on how to use the new automated system effectively. Monitor the automation process regularly to ensure it operates smoothly and efficiently. Gather feedback from users to identify any areas for improvement. Continuously refine your automated policy management system to adapt to changing needs and regulations. Document all processes and updates to maintain clarity and accountability in your policy management. By following these steps, you can effectively automate policy management, improving efficiency and compliance within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.